welcome. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of different skincare products like body butters, handmade soaps and lotions, and shower steamers. Today I am making a bath bomb with the Mango Sorbet essential oil fragrance oil combination, and this smells of raspberries, mango, and lemon curd. So it's a nice fruity fragrance. It's great for summertime or even the fall scent, and if you're going into spring, but it smells so beautiful. I love it, and I made some bubble scoops with it, and I'll show that in a little clip here, and they came out really nice. So I want to use mold right here, and I'm going to add some salts right in here, so it'll be a little bit of a buttermilk, calamine. So it's calamine, and it has buttermilk for the main ingredients, and then I'm going to add some maybe I'll add some colored bath salts, and I do have that right here, but I just want to show you this is the mold that I'm using. This is from Mold, and then these are the salts I made last night. It's very easy, and I have a video on that if you're interested in making some colored bath salts. I'll leave that in the link in the description box below. But today I'm making a mango sorbet, raspberry, lemon, mango bath bomb. So it's a foaming, fizzing bath bomb, and it's great for the summertime going into fall time. And this is what the mixture looks like right here, and I've already added my dry ingredients. So this has the baking soda, it has the cream of tartar, and then it has the buttermilk and the calamine powder, and has a little bit of distilled water, and that just helps to make it so the baking soda doesn't fly all over the place. And it makes it hold better in a harder bath bomb when you actually add a little bit of distilled water to it. So you don't need a lot. So let's continue. I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So this is a mold right here. Can't wait to use that. And let's see. And this right here is my sunflower chamomile infusion. So it came out really nice, and look how bright that color is, and that is from chamomile flowers that I grow myself, and they're organic, and I just infuse it in here, and it's a cold process infusion that I use. So are you making any summer to fall, thinking about fall bath bombs? If you're thinking about making any, leave a comment down below and let me know what type you're making. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm. And if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing, because I do have a lot of newer videos that will be coming up, and then I also have a newsletter, and that's where I have like recipes that I sell, and then updates and things like that I'm doing in the shop and my business, some business techniques, but I also add a little bit of gardening in there and some recipes that are free. You are interested, everything is down in the description box below. Just click on read more, and it opens it right up. This is the poly I'm adding. It's a poly 80, and it just helps with the mica and the colorants, and also the fragrance oil, essential oil, to emulsify with the water, so it doesn't, the fragrance oil and the fragrance oil and the essential oil doesn't like stay on top of the water. And this is 99% rubbing alcohol. Scent. Oh, this smells so good. I love it. The bubble scoops came out, oh, so nice. It really does smell like the mango. There's quite a bit used in this because I want to make it a little strong. Because it does have to, you know, it's going in the bathtub, so it's quite a bit. I'm already planning what I'm going to be making for the fall and the Christmas season coming up. And if you want any help with that, I do have all that information and my links down below. So I just like to stir this up, and then I'm going to add it to my dry ingredients. My citric acid, and this is what helps it make it fizz and foam and react in the water. And it's a form of vitamin C, so you're getting vitamin C right in your bath water, which is really good for your skin. I also want to check and make sure yep, that's good. Just squeeze it tight and drop it. Alright, so I'm going to split this. Scoop some of this out. I don't want a lot of color, but I want to give the illusion of the mango sorbet combination scent profile. So it's a nice fruity scent. It's very summery. It's really nice as like a body scrub for summer. Oh my gosh. It makes you want to, if you love sorbets, ice cream, oh my gosh. Sorbets are so good. Not a lot of calories. And it's nice and light. So I'm going to add my mica. Hopefully it's not too much. Make sure it's locked in. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yep, that's good. It's a beautiful color that looks really nice. So sometimes you just have to play around with the micas. So now I'm ready to mold. Okay, this is a really nice mold. It's very, of course, a lot of their molds are really easy to use. So you don't have to work too hard at using kit molds, you know. So just add a little bit of the mixture. And then I'm going to make a little hole right here and add my colored bath salts. And like I said, I have a video on that down below. And I know I'm not I'm not able to actually measure it, the weight, but when I do sell them, I do weigh them out and I make sure. So it's really easy to use my wrist and stuff like that, because if you make a lot of bath bombs, your wrist can really start to hurt. I'm just going to scrape the sides. If I didn't want to have that little bead around it, I'd put less in there. But I really like to have, you know, at least 4.5, 4.6 ounces for bath bombs. comes right off. And I will show you that. So it came out really nice. Look at that. Wow, you get the little glitter and you get the little stem. So I could paint that if I want to, I'm not really sure. But it came out really well. So it's pretty. It's gonna make a couple more and then I'll show you the finished results.